How to create thumbnails using PickU. First, open the app and tap plus icon, tap edit, and select the photo or screenshot you want to turn it to thumbnail. Set the correct size, tap crop, and choose 16:9 ratio or custom crop if you are designing for Reels or IGTV. Tap the check mark, tap the date, add text, type your title or message. Choose bright colors, outline or shadow to make it pop. Also, here is a pro tip. Use yellow, white or red for bold visibility. Tap the check mark if you are done. Again, check mark. Tap the sticker to add emojis, arrow or reaction or icon. You can also use filter tools to sharpen your face and adjust brightness. Make sure your text is readable and centered. And if you are done, tap save and boom, you just made a scroll stopping thumbnail using PickU. Fast, fun and totally free. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more creative tips using PickU. Catch you in the next time.